This is so dope.
Iceland.
What?
We're going to Iceland. We're here! It's so hot here, it's insane.
Yeah, I need to get
I go put my bathing suit right on. Like, where are we going?
Welcome to Iceland. We're knucking butts. That's what we are. Knucking butts. Snowy Okay, so this is day one in Iceland.
Made it.
Made it. I don't recommend Red Bulls, but since when you don't sleep on airplanes at all because the time sucks, then you just gotta do it. So on the agenda is going up to Akureyri.
Akureyri.
I have not.
Akureyri.
Everything's Anyways.
Well, wherever we're going.
Yeah, we know where we're going. The weather sucks, but that's what we wanted.
It's about a 5-hour trip.
So
that's what we wanted.
Everybody thinks we're knucking futs for doing 3 days around the island. All the forums say it's impossible.
Watch and learn, baby.
Oh.
Should I pour this in this wine glass?
Sure. I just need this in me right now. Oh, it's hot. But it's coffee.
It needs to have it.
I don't even know when the last time we slept was. Nice job. Gee whiz.
3475. Oh shit! The cold?
No, it's warm.
I know.
Alright. We're geared up for the photo mission.
Oh my gosh.
It's
I just got done crying.
I don't know how this is gonna go.
Ooh.
But it's cold as F.
So cold. More like windy. It's so windy.
Yeah, it's the wind. It's like 40-mile-an-hour winds and like sustained.
We're doing it.
Oh my gosh, come to me.
I mean, like, are we about to get chewed?
What? No, it's all good. They're friendly. Come on. Come here. Come on. Come on. Oh, these guys are so cute. Come here. Oh my gosh. Their fur is like rock solid. But they're just like majestic.
They're stuck in a crazy snowstorm.
It's like a drift that's 4 feet high. We almost flipped in it.
Like, there's so many cars that are stuck. We're on the side of a mountain right now. There's multiple vehicles everywhere.
This guy.
These people will not move.
Oh, he's checking it.
Tons of snow. Being pushed by like 10 Russians.
I gotta buy you all a beer, boys!
This side more.
Yeah.
So stuck. We got manpower back there.
Thinking. 50 meters!
Currently trying to get down the side of a mountain in Iceland, but just getting stuck one time after another. Super stuck. The cars in front of us are stuck. Can't even really see them. We've been taking turns with the Russians and the Canadians and the Icelandians and whoever else is here.
I'm gonna look at it.
You're gonna be able to get through.
I don't know.
Well, we'll push you if you can't. Yeah, you're good. You're good, yep. Perfect. Nice. Woo! Good job. It's hectic out here, man.
We're like the only ones that have made it off the mountain. There's 2 of us, that's it.
Out of like 10 cars, probably at least.
There's probably like 30 now.
We don't even know who's back there, but it's no joke around here right now. Whew. On the right here, the snow is about 2 to 3 foot deep. It's intense.
Uh-oh, we're getting stuck again. Here we go.
One stick after another. Zero visibility. Literally. You're good, you're doing good. I can see them, they're still up there.
No, I know, but I'm like, I turned to 9 o'clock.
Right. Stuck again. Brandon's going to check out the situation. Gosh. Everyone is somehow trying to figure out how to get down this mountain. Bitter cold. It is so cold out. And as you can see, the wind is just nuts. Giving it all they've got. Definitely not off the mountain yet.
It's who you know in Iceland, I'll tell you that. These guys are Finnish and they're helping us out. And we're helping them
from Finland. They literally just brought us a walkie-talkie so that we could get a hold of them if we needed them.
Look, all I'm saying is if you're gonna come to Iceland in winter, be prepared. Be ready for this. Like,
bring
be good at driving.
snowshoes.
Oh my god.
And cross-country skis.
Oh my god, you're stuck in a blizzard? Yeah, you're screwed. We can't help you. You're spending the night in a blizzard. Oh, like all those cars back there.
Yeah, there's a lot of cars behind us that probably are spending the night on the mountain. But we're following this beast, and we're in it for the long haul.
I hope that's it. Oh, Dino. Beautiful day. It's a beautiful effing day.
Gorgeous day in Iceland.
Gee whiz. This is so dangerous. Oh my god.
Can't see anything.
What a day. My voice is gone. My voice is gone. I'm so stressed out of my mind how crazy that day was. But
crazy fun.
Crazy fun. Crazy fun.
So crazy fun.
See, traveling is either an experience or it's vacation. I prefer both because you have to mix it up. It's cold here. It's ridiculous. It's the scariest traveling I've ever seen in my life. Are you joking? It's not real. So now we're trying to get some dinner to end this night and just go to bed. It's like not even 5:30 at night, but we haven't slept since we left San Francisco. We've been driving all day. You know what I'm talking about. Literally just found the coolest people from the snowstorm ever. This makes everything worth it.
Right?
Yeah!
New friends!
Good friend.
Snow
South
buddies.
Africa, you know what I'm saying?
Oh, nice.
Yes. But after that, I don't want to die.
I know, so we don't really know. We gotta figure out what we're gonna
You heard
do.
last night that if you go east, you're getting stuck for a couple days.
We gotta figure out our plan because I totally got that. Yeah.
Those Iceland beers. Oh my.
Great. Can you keep doing this? Like, I don't know what's going on. I'm gonna look like a total ass. We're filming you doing this. I promise it's on accident. I'm just walking, but she's like crazy. We gotta decide if we want to live or we want to die. Basically. Oh my gosh. That's basically it. Made some cool friends today.
Such great friends.
All Instagram buddies now. We were all just on the mountain helping each other out, and now we all met up at the local hostel, and life's good. So we haven't slept, so we're gonna go to sleep. And yeah, we'll see you. Let you know what happens tomorrow. Peace.